Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to pay for NordVPN using the monthly payment option. This is a great choice if you want flexibility and don't want to commit to a long-term plan. First, head over to the NordVPN website and open the pricing page. You'll see several plans listed, but for this guide, switch to the monthly view and select the 1-month option. NordVPN offers 3 monthly tiers: the standard plan, the plus plan, and the complete plan. Take a moment to compare what each one includes, such as the password manager or cloud storage, and choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your plan, enter your email address. This will be used as your NordVPN account login and is also where your confirmation and setup emails will be sent, so make sure it's correct. Next, choose your payment method. You can pay with a credit or debit card like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. PayPal is also available, just keep in mind that it usually enables auto-renew by default. You can also use Google Pay or cryptocurrency options like Bitcoin or Ethereum if you prefer. Depending on your location, you may see additional payment methods such as SoFort, Amazon Pay, iTunes, GrabPay, or Union Pay. Simply choose the option that's most convenient for you. After that, enter your payment details, billing address, and any required security information. Once everything looks good, click Complete Purchase and wait a moment for the transaction to process. Now check your email inbox. You should receive a few messages, including your purchase confirmation, an activation link, and instructions on how to download and install the NordVPN app. And that's it. You're now set up with NordVPN on a monthly payment plan. If you ever decide to switch to a long-term plan and save a lot more, my link below gives you up to 74% off plus 3 extra months for free. Thanks for watching and enjoy safe browsing.